What is cash budget? A cash budget is company estimation of cash inflows and outflows over a specific period, which can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. The company will use a cash budget to determine whether it has sufficient cash to continue operating over the given time frame. Now we move to explanation of cash position.
Hi, in this video I will be identify the cash position for Gerhana Kasih Sdn Bhd for the first and second quarter of 2023. As you can see in the cash budget, the beginning cash balance for January is 15,000 ringgit, and Gerhana Kasih Berhad has two methods of receiving the sales revenue, which is 40% for cash sales and 60% for credit sales. The total cash available for January is 107,000 ringgit, and we will get the ending cash balance of 22,000 ringgit after we minus the cash disbursement, which consists of purchases, wages, and overhead. The ending cash balance will be brought to February, and we will add the sales revenue, and the total cash available is 134,000 ringgit. We will get the 20,000 ringgit after we minus the cash disbursement, which consists of also the purchases, wages, and dividends. In March, the beginning of the cash balance is 20,000 ringgit, and we will add the sales revenue, and the total cash available for the March is 142,000 ringgit. In March, the Gerhana Kasih Sdn Bhd will make extra expenditure, which consists of dividends, capital expenditure, purchases, wages, and overheads. Because of that, our ending cash Gerhana Kasih Sdn Bhd ending cash balance will be a deficit cash balance, and the deficit will be brought to the April to the next month. For the April, the total cash available for the April is 102,000 ringgit, and after deducting cash disbursement, we will get the deficit of 50,000 ringgit for ending cash balance for April, and the total ending cash balance will be brought to the May, and the total cash available for May is 98,000 ringgit. For May, the cash disbursement consists of purchases, wages, and overheads, and the deficit increases more than the last month of which April, and the ending cash balance for May is 83,000 ringgit, the deficit balance, and the deficit balance of 83,000 ringgit will be brought to the June, the last quarter of the second quarter of the 2023, and the total cash available after adding sales revenue is 79,000 ringgit. And for June 2023, Gerhana Kasih Berhad will make another one of capital expenditure, and the total of ending cash balance will be a deficit of 156,000 ringgit. As you can see, the deficit cash balance will be started at April, May, and June. This is because of the dividends and capital expenditure in resulting of large amount of expenditure used. This is all for the cash position of Gerhana Kasih Berhad.
Okay, now let's move to 6 recommendation for improvement.
There are several ways to improve cash budget for Gerhana Kasih Berhad. The first is early payment discount. Early payment discount is an incentive that reduces the amount of an invoice if the customers pays it in advance of the due date. Early payment discount provide businesses with more control over their cash flow, also can improve their competitiveness and even boost customer loyalty. And the second one is increased pricing. High prices can give a product a good image and give customers the impression that it is very high quality. It also will give firms high profit while the price is higher, helping to pay back research and development costs. That's all from me.
We said that Gahana Kasih Berhad should use loan instead of cash for capital expenditure. This is because loans cannot be included in the cash budget. Moreover, capital expenditure are highly priced, so this company should use loans to pay for those costs. As a result, the company can avoid making high cash disbursement and increase the total cash available. Other than that, this company needs to improve the payment method of purchases. For example, the payment can be split so that half is paid in the month of sale, let us say in March, and the other half is paid 2 months following in May. As a result, the company can reduce cash expenses in March.
Hi, now my turn to tell you guys 2 suggestions to improve our cash budget. The first suggestion is receive 80% cash payment and 20% credit payment after 2 months. The reason is to secure our cash in hand and avoid bad debt. The second suggestion is to increase our sales revenue by promotion at online and give discount to customer who purchase in large amount purchases. The reason is to increase our sales and improve our cash budget.
And that brings us to the end. I would like to thank you for your time and attention today. We sincerely appreciate that we have this opportunity to present to you. Thank you.